Hi guys! Today I'm going to teach you how to book online your tickets to Haeundae Beach Train and the Sky Capsule. These rides are very popular among tourists in Busan. They operate along the scenic coastline. The beach train runs slower than the regular trains and the Sky Capsule runs much slower than the beach train. Both rides allows passengers to enjoy the coastal and mountain sceneries and take great photos and videos during the trip. Let's dive into the process of booking online. I'm going to Busan in a few days and I'm actually booking our tickets to the beach train and the Sky Capsule. At first, I tried to book using my laptop, but for some reason, when I'm at the payment page, it just takes forever to load, and so I did some research and some people share that they were able to book successfully when they used their smartphones to book, and so that's what we're going to do right now. Using the Chrome browser, go to the website bluelinepark.com. Then click the three lines on the upper left and then click Make a Reservation. And then scroll down until you see the different options for the beach train and the Sky Capsule. I'm going to book first the beach train departing from Mipo Station. And then wait for the page to complete loading, and then you can enter the details that's needed in the form. So choose the date that you're going to ride the beach train and then the time. When you choose the ticket type, this notification will appear. Just click OK and then proceed with the ticket type. Then scroll down to complete the other information needed. The cell phone number is optional, so you don't need to put your number. But there's something weird in the email portion because when I was trying to type my email, the characters that I'm typing doesn't appear on the screen. But when I started typing the @ and the next characters, they all appeared on the screen. So I don't know if it's just my phone. But if it happened to you, what you're gonna do is type the @ first and then type your complete email address. And then go back and erase or delete the @ at the beginning of your email address. And then you'll be able to proceed with the registration or the booking. For the password, just type in any 4-digit numbers and make sure to remember it or write it down somewhere. Scroll down and click both Agree with All and Cancel Refund Policy, and then scroll down again to choose the payment method and then choose Foreigner Card, Buy Tickets. Click OK in the next two notifications. Click Select. Then click Other Cards. Then choose the credit card type that you're going to use. Then agree to all the payment terms and click Next. And then enter your credit card number. Please note that the arrangement of the numbers in the keypad changes, so make sure to type the correct details. After entering all of your credit card details, just click Next. At this point, it feels like there's something wrong again, but this is normal. Just be patient and wait. Do not scroll or refresh your page. Just wait for the next page to appear. Now I'm going to enter my OTP and wait again. And then on this page, just review the details and then click I checked and then finish. And then this final page confirms my reservation or ticket booking. Next, I'm going to book our tickets to the Sky Capsule, and basically I'll just do the same process when I book the beach train tickets. Take note that after successfully booking your tickets, you will receive 2 emails, and I'm going to show you the emails at the end of this video. So I hope that you find this video helpful, and I hope that when you book your tickets for the beach train and Sky Capsule, you will not encounter any errors or difficulties. And I'm really excited for our trip to Busan. I'm really excited to ride the beach train and the sky capsule to enjoy the sceneries in Busan. Before we proceed, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and if you want, you can also share this video. So this is the first email that you will receive. It contains the booking details, the QR code, and a link to the mobile ticket. The next email looks like this, and it's like a receipt. It contains the payment details. Now let me open my email using my mobile phone, and let's click the mobile ticket. This is our ticket to the Sky Capsule from Cheongsapo to Mipo Station. Take note that there's only one ticket for each Sky Capsule. Each capsule can accommodate 1 to 4 passengers. And when you arrive at the station, just show this ticket and they will scan the barcode, and then you can ride the Sky Capsule. You don't need to line up to get a physical ticket. This serves as your ticket. Now let's check the beach train ticket. They look the same as the Sky Capsule ticket. The difference is that you will receive individual tickets for each person. So I have here 4 tickets, and again, no need to get a physical ticket. Just show this when you line up for the train ride. I recommend that you arrive 10 to 15 minutes before your scheduled ride. And that's it. Thank you guys and have a great day. God bless you.